Hello everyone, welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. For today's video ay tatalakayin po natin muli itong DepEd Order number 24 series of 2020 about Philippine Professional Standards for School Head. Ayan. Dito na po tayo sa domain number 4 and hopefully makatulong po ito sa ating mga kapatid, mga kaguro na naghahanda for English 2024. May 26 na. 26 days na lang. Handa ka na ba? So, itong tatalakayin po natin, actually, yung mga indicators lang, pagkaroon lang tayo ng idea, ano yung mga indicators per career stage? Stage 1 to 4, which eventually, the expectation as well sa performance sa isang principal, 1 to 4. Okay? Dito po tayo sa domain number 4, pang-apat na sakop ng kailangan ipamalakad ni school head. Developing self and others. So, you develop yourself, you develop others as well. So, ano nga ba yung mga strands na meron? Actually, binubuo po ng 8 strands ito at bawat strands ay meron pong indicators na tiga-4. Ito po yung mga indicators per career stage. So domain number 4, developing self and others, recognizes the role of school heads in nurturing themselves and others. This domain centers on the school head's commitment in ensuring people and team effectiveness. In this domain, school heads are expected to reflect on their personal and professional development to enhance their practice in leading and developing people as they support their personnel's professional development and welfare. They should provide others the means for development such as opportunities to learn, reflect, leads, and progress their profession. Kaya may maririnig kayong mga principal na it is their karangalan nila na mayroong successful achiever na kanilang sa mga hawak niyang guro. Okay, ito po yung strands and career stages for domain number 4, developing self and others. Meron pong 8 sa unang strand, personal and professional development. Personal and professional development. Dito po nakaangla yung yung IPCRF ng isang school head. And eventually, nakakonect din po dyan yung IPCRF ni teacher. So, CP1 or Career Stage 1 conducts self-assessment of personal and professional development needs using the Philippine Professional Standards for School Heads. So, conduct, yung keyword. Career Stage 2, set personal and professional development goals. Nagsiset ng personal and professional goals on self-assessment aligned with the Philippine Professional Standards for School Heads. Si Career Stage 3 or P3, reflect on the attainment. Okay, attainment na yung nare-reflect of personal and professional development goals and objectives based on Philippine Professional Standards for School Heads. Career Stage 4, serve as a learning resource. Ayan na, yung difference. Patas ang patas, no? Serve as a learning resource to fellow school heads in upgrading personal and professional competencies. So that is for personal and professional development. 4.1. Strand 4.2. Professional reflection and learning. Tatlo, no? Professional reflection and learning. Si Career Stage 1, demonstrate understanding on how professional reflection and learning can be used. Okay? Apply naman si Career Stage 2, apply professional reflection. Si Career Stage 3, initiate professional reflection. Si Career Stage 4, model exemplary leadership. So, take note the keyword, demonstrate, apply, initiate, model. Strand 4.3, Professional networks. See career stage 1, seek opportunities to improve one's practice as a school leader. Career stage 2, participate in professional networks to upgrade knowledge and skills and enhance practice. Engage naman si career stage 3, engage actively in professional networks within across school to advance knowledge. And si career stage 4 or P4, lead in organizing professional networks. Yan ay nagli-lead to provide colleagues opportunities to maximize their potential and enhance their practice. So, ayan na. Si P1, naghahanap pa lang. P2, sumasali. Si P3, engage. Si P4, nagli-lead na. Ayan na. Strand 4, performance management. Importante rin po ito. Demonstrate knowledge and understanding on the implementation of performance management system in improving school personnel and office performance. Okay, demonstrate ulit. Implement the performance management system. Career stage 2, career stage 3, monitor and evaluate with school personnel the implementation of the performance management system. Career stage 4, P4, exhibit exemplary practice in the efficient and effective implementation of the performance management system. So, yung difference ulit, stage 1 to 4, demonstrate, implement, monitor, exhibit exemplary in performance management. Take note ha, ito po yung mga indicators per career stage. 4.5, professional development of school personnel. Si career stage 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of professional development and enhance strength and addressing performance gaps. Okay, demonstrate ulit. Implement professional development initiatives, si career stage 2. Career stage 3, monitor and evaluate the implementation of professional development. So, nagmo-monitor na, nag-evaluate na. Si career stage 4, model, nagmo-model na. Exemplary practice in the implementation of professional development initiatives to enhance its strength and address performance gaps among school personnel. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko last time, hindi naman natin kailangan i-memorize, pero dapat in a way ay may recall, may mga keyword tayo per strand and per career stage. Okay? Strand 4.6 about leadership, development, individuals, and teams. Si P1, identify strengths, capabilities, and potentials of individuals and teams. Si P2, provides opportunities. So, provide opportunities. Ito, si P1, nag-identify ng strength. P3, or career stage, capacitate individuals and teams to effectively perform leadership roles. Actually, ito yung mga ano natin eh. Maka natin, sana all. And career stage 4, empower individuals and teams to consistently and effectively perform leadership roles, responsibilities in achieving school goals, shared governance, and accountability. So this is career stage 4 for leadership development and individuals. And theme, strand 4.6 sa domain number 4. So, take note yung kanyang keywords. Identify strength, provide opportunities, capacitate individuals, empower individuals. And strand 4.7, si P1 or career stage 1, display knowledge of laws. Okay? Kasi general welfare of human resource. So, importante po yan. Mapapangalagaan yung human resource ng iyong nasasakupan. Display knowledge of laws, policies, guidelines, issuance on rights, privileges, benefits, school personnel to promote their general welfare. Si P2, implement laws, policies. So, nag-implement. Si P3, integrate laws, policies, guidelines, and issuance on the rights, privileges, and benefits of school personnel in school programs, projects, activities to ensure their general welfare. CP4 or career stage 4, advocate the general welfare of school personnel by gaining support from wide school community in strengthening and the implementation of relevant local and national policies. Ayan na. Display knowledge, implement laws, integrate laws, and advocate the general welfare. And last strand for domain 4, rewards and recognition mechanism. Somehow, significant din po itong rewards and recognition, lalo na sa mga kasamahan po natin na sub-sub sa at seryoso sa kanilang ginagawa sa kung ano man task assigned sila. As a school head, ito yung mga indicators per career stage. Reward and recognize learners, school personnel, and other stakeholders for exemplary performance and or support. Actually, itong mga indicators kasi ito per career stage, P1, 2, 3, 4, or career stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi nandun din kasi ito sa kanilang IPCRF, kaya hanapin din ito. Kaya talagang i-implement talaga nila to. Implement a school reward system to recognize them and motivate learners, school personnel, and other stakeholders of exemplary performance and continued support. So, implement na. P3, work with school personnel to encourage stakeholders to support the implementation of the school reward system in recognizing, motivating learners, school personnel, and other stakeholders to sustain exemplary performance and or continued support. So, kaya nga, ako personally as work immersion teacher, gusto ko ring mabigyan ng certificate of appreciation man lang yung mga partners po natin kasi they are molding, they're shaping our learners sa kung ano man yung pwede nilang maitulong by catering our work immersion as our partner, di ba? So part ng sa isang school sa isang school head, isa to sa kanya mga task. Okay? Institutionalize the implementation of the school reward system with support from wider school community. Kaya si people, yan malawak yung kanyang connection. So, kapag ka ganun na, malawak na yung connections mo, kaya mo na mag-advocate, mag-benchmark, P4 ka na. Okay? Career stage 4 na yan. Pero dito sa reward system and recognition mechanism, institutionalize the implementation of the school rewards system with support from wider school community. Kumbaga, meron na siyang mga partners dito in giving the rewards. Diba? So, malawak na yung kanyang connections. Okay? So far, yun po yung ating domain number 4. Maintindihan po ba kayo? About developing self and others. 8 strand at merong 3-4 na indicators or career stage. Again, yung mga keyword po dyan, importante po yan. Ever may mga questions na lalabas po dyan sa English 2024. So, ayan. Sana handa na po ang lahat. Makatulong po ito sa inyo. Kung bago ka sa channel ni Sir Fox, huwag kalimutan i-click yung subscription button at para ma-update ka sa mga susunod pong video lessons. That's all for now. Happy learning, everyone.